The MyAudi app has a dedicated area for the service and maintenance of your vehicle. Select Service located in the Car tab. If you have already been verified by the dealer, the partner will show at the top of the page with contact information. For a centre to access any information regarding your vehicle or help check the status, you will need to have the partner set before contacting the dealership. You can change or add a partner at any time. A partner can be found on the map or by using the search bar at the top. Once you have your preferred centre, press Save Audi Partner. Owner's manuals can now be directly accessed from the service section. The full manual for your selected vehicle will be loaded up in your desired browser. From here, you can scroll through pages, shortcuts to specific sections, or even search using the magnifying glass icon in the top right. Another advantage of being a key user for your vehicle is having direct access to any service work carried out throughout the ownership, along with the additional recommended work that should be carried out on your vehicle. Providing your account is linked to a service partner, you can automatically set up a service reminder. Activate this service from the app with your contact preference, and your centre will contact you 2 weeks before your next service is due. Within the service section, you are also able to gain the relevant information around warranty. The PDF will give you information associated with the vehicle.